When do you use separation? Well, we use separation if a product is insoluble in water to remove water-soluble impurities from a product. If a product is insoluble in water, to remove water-soluble impurities from a product. How to use separation when the product is insoluble in water? We want to pour the mixture into a separating funnel. We want to add water. We want to shake the funnel to allow it to settle, and therefore we pour the mixture into separating funnel. We pour the mixture into separating funnel. We've added water. We've shaped the funnel, allowing it to settle, and therefore the organic layer and the aqueous layer are immiscible. They don't mix, and therefore they will separate. Because the organic layer and aqueous layer are immiscible, they'll separate into two distinct layers, and then we'll open the tap, run each layer off in a separate container. So when we open the tap, we'll run each layer off into a separate container. How to use separation when the product and impurities are soluble in water? Well, if a product is not insoluble in water, it's soluble in water, well, then we're going to use something called solvent extraction, where we take an organic solvent where the product is more soluble than water. So take organic solvent where the product is more soluble than water. You want to add to the impure product solution. So take organic solvent where the product is more soluble in water, add to impure product solution, shake it, and therefore the product will dissolve into this organic solvent, and therefore the impurities have dissolved into the water. How to remove water from purified product by drying it? Add anhydrous salt, magnesium sulfate, calcium chloride, and this salt, anhydrous salt, is a drying agent. It will bind to water present. So salt as a drying agent will bind to water present, becoming hydrated. And then we keep adding the salt to organic layer, because when we add the salt, magnesium sulfate, calcium chloride, drying agent binds to water present, so it becomes hydrated. Once we add the salt to the organic layer, it will clump together, and we want to keep adding the drying agent, keep adding the salt, magnesium sulfate, keep adding the calcium chloride, and this will disperse evenly and swirl the flask. And then we want to filter the mixture to remove the solid drying agent. How can volatile liquids be purified by distillation? We want to connect the condenser to a round bottom flask containing the impure product in solution. Place thermometer in neck of flask so the bulb sits next to the entrance of condenser. Then we want to heat. Once we place the thermometer in neck of flask so bulb sits next to entrance of condenser, we want to heat the impure product, and when the product boils, we'll place the flask at open end of condenser to collect the pure product. Place flask at open end of condenser to collect pure product, and the temperature on the thermometer will show the boiling point of substances evaporating at any given time. Could be one marker. What does the temperature on the thermometer show? Show boiling point of substances evaporating at any given time.